Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy the new video.
Around of birds, the sky once heavy a wheel, the clouds around of birds, transformed by a magical scene that ten drops of rain come down, falling down, transformed by a magical scene that ten drops of rain come down, falling down. But birds of joy, so bright and keen. But birds of joy, so bright and keen. They flutter down with wings wide, soft feathers kissing the earth. They flutter down with wings so wide, soft feathers kissing the earth. Each child below lifts up their eyes and laughs aloud in mirth. Each child below lifts up their eyes and laughs aloud in mirth. No stormy days or gloomy skies, just a shower of chirps and song. No stormy days or gloomy skies, just a shower of chirps and song. Around of birds in joyful flight, we're happy because we learn around of birds.
Thanks for watching the video.